Hello crafty peeps, this is Trish here back at Creativemind Creations, and I have a bit of a resin haul from Amazon to share with you guys. Well, wait a minute, yeah, they're all from Amazon. And I got my last, well, it was with my last one today. I ordered a lot of resin, silicone molds, and I got my last one today. I was going to do the video today, but I wouldn't order some more. I said, I'm not going to wait on those other ones. I ordered 2 more this morning. So I said, I'm just going to go ahead and do it because I plan to do it. And I'll just show them whenever. But I just got these today. And I love these. I can't remember how much they were. But these are ones that I've seen on AliExpress and on Wish. And like, then I saw them in where did I see them at? Hobby Lobby. Like, man, but they were like $7.99 in Hobby Lobby. Then I seen them on Amazon. Like, what crap? And I got these 3 for about $12, $13, something like that, for all of these together, and they're $7.99 a piece at the Hobby Lobby. So I got these, and they came today. So they are the love. That's the love, and that is home and family. These are gonna be good. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do with these guys is I can put that back in this. But I'm hoping that I could use these for some kind of gifts for people, like Christmas, holidays. Not holidays, but birthdays and things like that. Probably even put like a picture or something in here. Yeah, so these is what I got today from, all of these are from Amazon, but I got these today. And like I said, guys, I ordered 2 more this morning, and they're coming. And most of these I already opened, but I didn't open them. Like this, I opened a bag, but I didn't open the actual package. And I got these yesterday. Like I said, I'm getting them in day at a time. So no. These came day before yesterday. The next one I'm going to show you came yesterday. And these are little perfume bottles where you can actually put liquid in them, but you can't open them. I mean, I guess you can make them so that you can open them. You can open it, whatever. But I'm going to be using these as like little charms or bangles or something like that. And so, I don't remember how many I got, but I will show you the ones I got. And they come with the little cap on the bottom. The top, you put on the thing you put on the top, and then you pull these apart. It's like a 2-part mold. You put it together with a rubber band. I watched the video. You put it together, put it together, and I've seen people put rubber bands on them or whatever to keep them closed. You pour so much in there, then you stick this in there to make it hollow, and then there you go. You got that mold. I've seen people, I also watched some videos on it, and I've seen people use UV resin, which I think I'm going to be using on these for the first try. Probably only because it don't look like they're going to take a lot of resin. So that's one of them. And I guess if you look at that, it can give you an idea what it's going to look like. So these are going to be fun working with. So that's that one. I'm going to stick that back in there. So that's one. I don't think I'm going to take them all out. I mean, because I'll be doing videos on these, and y'all can see them when I actually doing a resin video. But that is one of them. And then some of them are something else. That's a perfume bottle. This is a perfume bottle. And this one is, and this one is. I'm going to see if I can pull up the ad, and I can tell you. I can show you what they look like without having to open them all. And again, like the these books I just showed you first. They just came in the mail. And let's see. I'm going to show you these that I ordered. And again, I got these on the 3rd, which was the day before yesterday. And this is all I got. Now, I will be putting a link down in the description box for these. I'm sorry, guys, and I sometimes say I put the link and then I forget. Because I think the last one of my recent videos, I said I'm going to put a link, and I forgot to do it. So I got to go back and do that. So that is one of them. Yeah. There's all those pieces that I got in that one. So that's all of those. And then also that day, I also got this as well. These both came the same day. I got one of these torch lighter, and I have, let me see, I have one of those. Yeah, I have one of these, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I mean, I probably could have used that, whatever, but this wasn't that much. And again, I will link this below. Find out where it goes. And I've already had some the butane fluid to put in it, because I wanted to use it for something and I just forgot. What is this for? Guess I figured out. But this is the little Butane Torch lighter. I'm gonna be having a lot of fun using it. Never used one of these things, but it's gonna come in handy. So yeah, so I got that. And again, that came the same day as the perfume resin molds that I got. I mean silicone molds. We're pouring resin into them and not resin. So I got that, and then I got this one yesterday, and this is a checkerboard, checker and chessboard. And I just ordered. You could have got it with just the board, or with the checkers. I mean the board and the chess pieces, or all of together. I already got a set of chess piece molds that I ordered years ago from Wish, and I've actually used it. It's pretty cool. So I didn't need to order another one of those, but I might eventually order another one, because this checkerboard I think was measured 11, I think 10 and a half, 11. You know what? Let's just check it. Yeah, it measured less than 10. 10 and 3/4. Less than 11, 10 and 3/4. The other one that had all the pieces to it, like again, you can get the mold for the chessboard, the board, the chess pieces, and the checker pieces all came together, and the board was bigger. It's like 11.2 inches, something like that. So I might end up getting that one too, you know, just because it's a slightly bigger board. I don't know, but yeah. But so I ordered this because I saw a video where what was her name, the Crafting Milk. I just subscribed to her channel, and I watched her live last night. Well, I was watching her live first on my phone, and then my phone's dying, so I had to plug it up. Then I got it on my computer, but my internet, I live out here in the rural area, sucks like a serious upright, and did a cut buffer, and I couldn't watch the full video. So I was watching it, but then it's like it kept buffering. So then I look up and I look at, and it was buffering. It said then it says this live ended 36 minutes ago, and I'm still watching it. Like, she was gone 30 minutes ago. That's why I didn't get to say bye, because my down video was buffering and wouldn't play. So yeah, I gotta get better internet. As soon as we getting better internet out here in this rural area, I'm dropping what I got now. But yeah, I got this was some chess pieces, and a checker chessboard. I just asked my grandbabies this morning if I said, Trey, you know how to play checkers? She said, yes. I play chess? No, I'll teach you. I know how to play chess. So this is going to be fun using this. I'm going to use this little bag again, so I'm going to put that away. So yeah, this is my haul, resin haul that I got from Amazon. And like I said, I ordered 2 more resin silicone molds this morning. And I'm going, and you know what, I might try to work on something right now, because the baby's asleep. He's taking a nap. And before when he was a baby, of course, when babies, they take long naps. And then he got to the point where he was just literally taking cat nap, but sleeping like 25-30 minutes or something like that. And now he's back to taking long 2-3 hour naps. So I want to see if I can try to get something done while he's asleep. And if we wake up, then, you know, the big brother come out here and tell him, like, Tristan woke up. But yeah, so I just want to show y'all my new silicone molds that I just acquired. And I plan to try pouring some more molds. I think I'm missing something. Let me see. Looks like I'm missing something. Like I forgot something. But no, that's all of it. I got it all day. Okay, so yeah, this is all of my resin tools that I'm going to be playing with here soon. I can't wait to pour these little perfume bottles. It's going to be cute. But thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.